sucks. Prepping the bike for Revlimiter. Got a new tire on. Swapped out clutches, new levers, rebuilt the shocks, put new seals in. All the little things that you need to do to make sure the bike is ready so it doesn't go bad on you while you're racing. Because if it goes bad on you while you're racing, that'd be a bad day. Rear valves look good. Looks like it might be ported.
I put in a new top end with Robbie's help. Got everything nice and fresh. Time for Texas. I showed up a day before the race so I could participate in a hard enduro clinic with Max Jersten. If you've watched some of the Grinding Stone videos, you've probably seen Hoodoo Hill. It's the bottleneck where people are spinning their wheels and not moving anywhere. I realized that I really need to work on getting out of sticky situations. I've been working on the technique, and I'm grateful that Max looked at my riding and gave me some more tips for what I could do to improve.
Yikes.
While we were practicing hopping over logs, Eric popped his clutch cover.
I'll go JB weld it for you.
Thanks, man.
Eric, I got you, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure. Like I said, man, I've been there before.
JB Aerospace technology at its finest. What would we do without it?
Walking part of the course. Wonder if this is gonna be a bottleneck.
I'm grateful that we have such a solid crew representing Colorado. We shifted a couple of rocks and called it a night so that we could get rested for tomorrow's race.
Oh my god.
It'll look a little harder when you put your on. The size of a snake.
Woo! Some early morning excitement.
I don't know if I think I might rather have a snake. That's
Devin has been compromised.
I'm all geared up and ready for the start, and I realized that my shifter is loose. I tried to tighten it with some pliers, but it didn't really do anything. I'm just gonna run it and hope it stays. Welcome to the first bottleneck. This was a great opportunity for me to try to hone some of my racecraft. I decided to roll the dice on the right side, which was a little harder, and it paid off because I came out ahead. The format for the race weekend was an amateur race on Saturday, followed by a hot lap that included the pros. The top 100 people from the hot lap would advance onto Sunday's race. Sunday's race was a knockout format that consisted of 3 motos. After each moto, a select number of individuals would advance onto the next race. My goal for the amateur race was to complete 1 lap. I was on a roll and feeling good until I got caught up on this hill. A little bit of mud on top of the rocks makes it really slick. I was able to tag up with Pablo and we helped each other up this obstacle. It took a lot of energy out of me. I'm really excited that I made it to this wall section. There's water flowing over it, and it's super muddy. When we walked the course, I didn't think I was going to be able to make it up this. My body started overheating, and any sense that I had was just thrown out the window. My tool bag of tricks, it tore open. I lost it all. My technique, gone. I started making a lot of mistakes.
That sucks. Damn it. Let it cool down, put some water in it. Wonder how far away I am from the second checkpoint. Oh, I see what happened. The cap blew off. Thread a piece of duct tape in there, we'll see if it holds up.
If you're into my duct tape fix, click that like button. If you would have done something different, leave a comment below and spread some knowledge. I made it about another half mile before the duct tape popped.
I'm gonna get a tow back to the car, fix it, and hope I can race again.
Oh, fuck, it won't hurt it.
All right.
No, you're good. Just get it hauling ass and shut it off.
All right. So Jim found a bolt on the ground. It was on the ground, right? Right here on the ground. We cut the bolt. The bolt fits. We're wrapping it in Teflon tape.
Bed.
On my bed. I think that'll get me by. Thanks to Devin for some coolant. So we're ready to go again. Dead last on the hot lap.
Have fun, man.
All right, thanks, Rodrigo.
I love learning, and I'm always seeking tips for how I could improve. I already have a pair of lucky underwear, drink cheetah milk before the race, and stand on one leg while brushing my teeth to improve my balance. What would your top 3 tips be? Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting a recap of my stab at the hot lap with the hope of qualifying for Sunday's race. It's an adventure. You're not going to want to miss it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.